Hey guys, so in this episode I'm going to be installing roof decals on my Mini Cooper. So these are genuine Mini accessories. This is they make a bunch of different roof decals for the models with and without sunroof, and those vary based on you know, which model you have and all that kind of stuff. So the one that I have is the JCW. I ordered this from Mini of Seattle, and it took a while to come, but it's been here for a while and I just haven't gotten it installed. So to start off, I'm just kind of laying it out and figuring out what it's going to look like. I'm going to start off by cleaning this window. The car has just been cleaned, but it needs to be perfect. So this is a spray away glass cleaner, which is aerosol based, and it's a little bit messier than using Stoner Invisible Glass, which is what I usually use, but I find that it cleans a little bit more aggressively. So, and I'm going to go over this with something a little bit more aggressive. Let's try some Panel Wipe. Panel Wipe is a Gtechniq product that is designed to remove waxes. Yeah, that's better. Okay. The glass cleaner just wasn't aggressive enough to remove everything, and this is. Okay, so first things first, we've got our glass clean. We're going to get this laid out, and I've never done one of these before, so I'm just kind of splitting the difference. Alright, so I think that that's where this is going to go. So now that that's been positioned, I'm going to get some painter's tape. I'm just kind of going to tape the top piece, and then we'll start attaching it. This is where I want it. Tape it down, and like I said, I'm just kind of splitting the difference on the seams and making it so that it matches. And really I'm focused on this side and that bottom edge. So there's like dust wiping off of this tape. It's interesting. Alright, so if you watched my video where I was doing the front stripes on the Mini, you probably saw me mix this up. It's like a pump of hand soap, and the rest of it is water. So that I use that underneath the vinyl to act as like a transfer fluid, and that enables me to you know, work with this while not necessarily being worried about messing it up. So alright, so I'm using a white hard card. I have a little so with any of this vinyl stuff, you just want to keep it really wet. You want to apply tension. You can kind of go back if you need to and add more water, but wetter is generally better for this kind of stuff. So there we are. So what I'm going to do here now is I'm going to try to peel up just the backing and leave the black vinyl behind, which may be a little difficult because of the water, but you'll Alright, so now we're going to do it again up here. Same steps, I'm hoping this one's a little easier. So, position it where we want it to be, which seems to be about there. Clean the windshield of the roof. Put this up where it's supposed to be. Just like that. Move this side away. We're going to peel this back. I'm realizing right now that this is blocking the camera. So we're going to wet this area down. Then Alright, so again, let's just center it. because I have the option to. And then I'm half tempted to just pull it back without actually manipulating anything, because I had to redo so much of it last time. I think we should just do that. So here it is installed. Obviously there's some blotchiness and bubbles. Those will dissipate over time. I'll come back and show you what it looks like afterwards. Like I said, I did cut out the bottom of this W here. Oh, great. I did cut out the bottom of this W here and here, but I think that it matches well enough. We'll see. It wasn't as easy as I expected it to be. Just kind of a bummer, but it did go on. It doesn't look terrible. This is a genuine mini part, and it is part number 51142459037. Comes in this, it's like a cardboard sleeve. It's taped on 4 sides, and then it was stuck in a giant box and shipped to me. Yeah, I think it looks cool. It definitely passes the 3-foot rule. I don't know if I'll be able to make it past the 6-inch rule, but we'll see. Some of these things, like these little squigglies here, should go away when it's heated up and the water has a chance to dissipate. And I should be able to clean up some other defects along the way as well. So I think it looks good.